Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assignment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyLab, IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, a midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. And now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment: Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. Here is a project description. You work as a data analyst for a Camino Marketing, a US-based web marketing company. You have been asked to conduct an employee satisfaction survey. As a part of the survey, you will collect sample data to help provide insight into employee salaries, productivity within the three national offices, and to predict the growth of the New York office's client based by 2025. Here is a project description. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start Excel, download and open the file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 8 Cumulative Assessment Employee Satisfaction. Reader has automatically added to your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically, in this question, you will have to download the Excel workbook from my IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded this Excel file from MyLab IT dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is ensure the employee satisfaction worksheet is active, then use the frequency function to calculate the frequency distribution of job satisfaction in column D. Place your results in the range G5 to G9. Go to the workbook. In this cell, you will have to write a function frequency and then select a range D4 to D53. As you can see that the frequency are calculated in these cells. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 3. Enter a function in cell G12 to calculate the standard deviation of column. Basically, in this question, you will have to calculate the standard deviation of the given column. In this cell, we will have to write a function standard deviation, then pass this range, salary range, question number 3 are completed. Now our next question is question number 4. Enter a function in cell G13 to calculate the variance between salaries. we will have to calculate the variance between the salaries. In this cell, we will have to write a function variance var. Then pass the salary range and then press enter. As you can see that the variance are calculated in this cell. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Enter a function in cell G14 to calculate the covariance of the salaries and job satisfaction in the data set. Note this is a sample data, not a population. Move to the workbook. Then this cell you will have to calculate the covariance equals to covariance. Then pass the salary column range, this one. Then pass job satisfaction range. As you can see that if covariance are calculated. Question number 5 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 6. Enter a function in cell F17 to calculate the correlation coefficient between employee salary and job satisfaction. We will have to calculate the correlation coefficient between the employee salary and the job satisfaction. In this cell, we have write a function correlation. Then press enter. As you can see that the correlation are calculated now. Question number 6 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is ensure that the data analysis toolbar add-in is active. Use the data analysis toolbar to create a histogram based on the salaries in column C. Use the range I4 to I9 as a bin range. Ensure that the cumulative percentage, column label, and chart output are included in results. Place the result in cell K4. Edit the result text in cell K4 to display salaries if necessary. Now move to the workbook. Go to the data tab and click on data analysis tab. Using this data analysis tab, we will have to draw a histogram of the given range. Input range, we have write range I4 to I9 range. As a bin range, we have write a range B4 I4 to I9. Place the result in cell K4. Edit the result cell in K4. Display salaries if necessary. Then check this box, cumulative percentage labels, and press OK. As you can see that these are calculated in this cell K4. Question number 7 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is ensure the office data worksheet is active. Use the data analysis toolbar to perform a single factor ANOVA on the range C3 to E35. Place the results starting in cell G3. Be sure to include column labels. Resize column G to M as needed. First we select this range C3 to E35, and first we ensure that we have on office data sheet. Currently we have on office data sheet, then click this. In this cell, you will have to select this range, full range, C3 to E35. The range are selected now. Then labels in first column, then press OK. Question number 8 are completed now. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 9. Question number 9 is create a forecast sheet that depicts year over year growth year growth in customer growth. Set the forecast and year as 2025 and place the results on a new worksheet named 2025 forecast. First we will have to create a new sheet and its name are 2025 forecast. We have now completed 9 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course. I have successfully handled courses for the student from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLab IT, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, and many other online courses. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out to me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A plus grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.